Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to solve simultaneous equations of two variables and three variables using FX991 ES Plus calculator. We can take one example. First one, 3i1 plus 2i2 equals to 5 and 6i2 plus 2i2 equals to 10. So how to solve this? First press on button, then press mode, select mode option, okay, and select option number 5. They written eqn, that is equation, simultaneous equation. Press 5. So it will show four options. First one is anx plus bny plus equals to cn. This is two variable. So first equation is used to solve two variable simultaneous equation. Second equation is for three unknown variables, okay, and equation 3 is quadratic equation, okay, of highest order, second order, and this is also quadratic equation of order 3. Since we have two variables, see this value 3 indicates an value, an, bn, cn. Similarly, another equation an, bn, cn. Press now 1. Press 1 in the calculator. Select first option. For two variables, select first option. Then it will show in matrix form. Now the cursor is at A. You should enter the coefficient of variables. What is the coefficient of I1 variable? 3. Enter the coefficient. Press 3. Okay, then press equals. Cursor will move to next variable. What is the next variable? 2i2. Next one is 2i2. So press 2 equals. While enter the coefficients each time and then press equals. Then C value is 5. Press 5 equals. First equation completed. Now cursor move to second equation. So in this 1 and 2 indicates first equation and second equation. So 6i2, 6 equals 2 equals 10. So press equals. Now finally again press equals. Press equals button. So by pressing this equals button, it will show the solution. So in calculator it will show x value. X value is nothing but variable I1. So we got I1 value 1.6667 ampere. Initially it will show in standard form 5 by 3. So by pressing this standard to decimal, by press this you will get in decimal form. Then to see I2 value, so again press equals, it will show I2 value 0. So there is no I2 current, okay. So here Y is I2 value, so we got answer 0. So first one 0 ampere. So we solved first example, directly we got. Next we can go to another example, okay, 4i1. Again press equals, it will show the equation. Now in the same thing you modified. What is the coefficient of first variable? -4. See example 2. -4, 6, 8, -8, 6, -4, 10. So -4, press equals, okay. Then 6, then press -8, then 6, -4 and 10. So you can see all the values -4, 6, -8, 6, -4, 10 by pressing equals. Once you entered all the coefficient, press once again equals. Then it will show the value. X is nothing but I1. What is X value? 7 by 5. If you need decimals, press SD button. Then you will get 1.4 ampere. Then what about I2? Press equals. So you will got negative value. Press SD button. So I2 value is -0.4 ampere. Whatever you got in calculator, that you can write it. For two variables, calc will show X and Y. Okay. Now we can move on to three variables. Okay. So three variables, we have take another example of three variables. So now press mode button. Select again number 5 equation. Now select the second option. What is the second option? Anx, a1 bn, a1 b1 c1 equals to constant, a2 b2 c2 constant, like that. So select second option. By pressing second option, it will show now three equations. See, this 1 2 3 indicates three equations. Now cursor is at first equation, first coefficient. What is the first coefficient in this example? 7. So I am entering all this coefficient in sequence. So 7 press equals minus 6 0. See 0 I3, enter 0. Okay, then what is the constant? 100. Constant is 100. Okay, then second equation 6 I2 minus 7 8 minus 20. Okay, then 3 I1 8 I2 minus 24 I3 plus 50 or simply enter 50. So enter all the coefficient, then press equals. By pressing equals, once entering all the coefficient, then it will show x value is 272 by 7 minus, press this SD button, it will show answer minus 38.85 ampere, minus 38.85 ampere I1 value. What is I2 value? Press equals here, press equals, it will show I2 value minus 62. And what is I3 value? Again press equals, another variable is Z. Okay, so we got what is Z value? Okay, minus 27, minus 27.607 ampere. So we got it. We can try another example. Okay, so again press equals, it will go to the equation form. Okay, now enter these coefficient 4 minus 6 2 minus 10. 4 press equals, each and every time you press equals. So minus 6 2 minus 10 0, second equation minus 6 24 50 3 minus 10 plus 10 minus 20. Okay, enter all equations typed as it is. Now finally you press equals button. Now copy down the answers. So what is I1 value? Okay, I1 is 8.765 ampere, and I2 is 8.950 ampere, and I3 is 4.32 ampere. Understood guys, how to solve this simultaneous equation using this calculator. So in the next video, same concept I am going to explain using other calculator. So that is a Blackman 991 MS. Okay guys, so now we can solve this big equation having only one unknown variable, that is I. We have to find this value of I. So we can type this equation as it is in this calculator, and we can solve what is the unknown value. Okay, see, while solving, your calculator should be kept in computation mode. Now this calculator is in complex mode. CMPLX is complex mode. It should be in computation mode. That can be done by pressing the mode button. Press mode button, select first option, comp mode, press 1. Okay, we got it. Now type the equation as it is, minus 0.02. Okay, I is there. I is unknown variable. So in calculator we don't have I, we have XYZ. We can take variable X is nothing but I. How to get X? X is here. We can get X by pressing alpha button and close bracket. Now see, X is displayed on the, okay, X is displayed. Then minus, continuation, minus 0.02 into, whenever we have bracket terms I minus 80, then you put into in calculator, into open bracket alpha x minus 80. Okay, then close bracket, then minus 0.02 into open bracket alpha x plus 10. Okay, next minus 0.02 into open bracket alpha x minus 140. Okay, got it. Minus 0.02 into open bracket alpha x minus 20. Okay, close bracket, minus 0.02 into open bracket alpha x minus 100. As it is, we typed. See, from here to here we typed in sequence. Okay, after that we have equal sign. Equal sign I need to get. Can you see equal sign here? Can you see equals? equals here. Now I need to get that symbol that we can get by pressing alpha and CALC button. Okay, so again I will delete it. Okay, delete. Now you can see, press alpha and then calc button, then you got equals, then press 0. Okay, as it is you typed. Now this will going to solve, calculator will going to solve. How to get the solution means, to get the solution you should do like this: shift calc and then equals, press like that, shift calculation and then equals. So we got answer. Okay, what is the answer we got? The value of current is 55 ampere. See, in this calculator, when it shows L minus R is equal to 0, then only copy down the answer, otherwise don't copy the answer. Okay, got it? For one variable we don't have any problems in this calculator. If it is multiple variables, then it won't show L minus R 0 directly. It will show some continuous statement. Under that condition, you should press equals. Whenever L minus R is 0, simply copy down that value. What is x? What is x in our case? I. So I, we got I value 55 ampere. Okay, got it? So like this, now we can solve another one. 25 plus x is equal to 100. Okay, how to solve this now? What is the value you can predict? See, now you can type 25 plus alpha x plus alpha close bracket pressing, you will get x. Now equal symbol you should type. How to get equals? Alpha equals is equal to 100. Now I need to find x value, that we can get by shift solve pressing equals. So I got x value 37.5 ampere. So how to get directly? So manual calculation, 25 plus 2x is equal to 100. Now 2x is equal to 100 minus 25. So we'll get 75 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to 75 by 2. So that is 37.5. Same thing we got. Whenever L minus R 0, then only copy down the answer. Okay, got it? I hope you guys understood. Okay, have a nice day. Give like for this video.